Everybody, my name is Mr. Slater. I'm one of the 8th grade science teachers here at the middle school. Today I'll be showing you guys how to first off get and create your vocab sheets for the year. Before we get into it, our vocab sheets are something that we're going to be doing every unit. So it's very, very important you guys get familiar on how these vocab sheets work. So the first thing I'm going to do is share my screen really quick and show you guys what our science vocab sheets look like. As you can tell, there is 5 different areas for each vocab word. So your vocab word goes in the term section. This is where you're going to be writing down your 5 vocab words for your unit. And as you can tell with that, there are 4 other open areas for you guys to write in. One is the reminding word, one's sentence, one's picture, and one's definition. We're going to be getting into those. So the first thing is, once you guys pull up your vocab sheet from your mastery grid, you want to make a copy of this. So you're going to go to File, Make a Copy, and press OK. And your computer is going to make a copy for you automatically. Once you guys have gotten this copy, you guys are ready to type in this form. The first thing that you guys need to do is identify what your vocab words are. So what I'm going to do is doing one of the vocab words from one of our first units. So the area you go to find your vocab words is your SCI guide. So once you pull up your SCI guide, which the front cover looks like this, you will go down to the unit you're on. So according to the table of contents, we are on potential and kinetic energy. So I'm going to go down to page 6. So page 6 is right here. Once I've gotten here, you will identify your vocab words. And the nice thing about our SCI guide, our vocab words are always bolded. So I'm going to go to the first one I find, which is potential energy. So once I identify our vocab word, I'm going to go back to our vocab sheet. And in our term, I'm going to write that potential energy down there. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is finding the definition of that vocab word. Once you have found the vocab word on your SCI guide, you're going to go to that word and read the sentence it's in. So it says potential energy is the energy of position. It can be the position of an object or the position of an object's particles. So I would write that down where definition goes. Following that, you have 3 more spaces for that one vocab word. You have reminding word, sentence, and picture. So the reminding word, this is for your use only. So it should be a word that helps you remember what potential energy is. In my situation, the word position helps me because potential energy is the position in which an object is. The next thing that you do is sentence. For sentence, you're going to be using potential energy in a sentence from knowing the definition and knowing words that help you. The last thing that you do is you guys get to draw or find a picture of what potential energy means to you. Again, all of this is for your use. So make sure you guys are using examples that you understand. The last thing that you guys do once you're completely done with your vocab sheet, meaning you have all 5 of your vocab words written down with your reminding word, sentence, picture, and definition, be sure to share this with your science teacher. That's how we're going to know you completed it. So once you guys are finished with this, share this with your science teacher. And again, it is extremely important for you guys to understand how to use these because we do this every unit. If you guys have any questions on this, please make sure you contact one of your science teachers. We are extremely excited about this year and we cannot wait for the year to get going.